Are you still watching YouTube at 2 a.m.? Maybe your Galaxy S26 Ultra can help you call it a night. There's a preloaded routine that can automatically close selected apps when your phone detects that you are sleeping. Let me show you how it works. First, open Setting, tap Mode and Routine. Then tap Discover at the bottom. Scroll down to the Advanced Routine section. Then tap Close App when you are asleep. This routine has two sections. In the If section, it's set to specific time, 2 a.m. every one day. The exact date zone might depend on when you open or edit the routine. Now let's look at the 10 section. First, the routine. Check your current context. If your phone detects that you are sleeping, it will automatically close selected apps. In this screen, the selected apps are YouTube and YouTube Music, but you can change this app to the ones you want to routine to close. For example, if you usually stay up late browsing social media, you could choose those apps instead. If the phone doesn't detect that you are sleeping, the routine will show you a custom notification to remind you that it's time to sleep. At the bottom, you have three options: edit, share, and save. If you are happy with the routine, let's save. And that's how to automatically close selected apps when you are asleep on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.